seagulls. So I'm going to be happy to see the little baby.
Yeah. Then they might not. They might not.
Funky doorstep. You'll get a grand tour of the roof.
Yeah. There's some cool businesses in this building on this block.
Yeah, there are a few, that's for sure.
Wait, oh, I thought we were
Is there any like small office space for rent here?
No, the building's full right now, but they do come up somewhat regularly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like 1957 in this building, huh?
Oh, is it?
I mean, it's old. It hasn't been remodeled in a long time.
Well, that's when they used to build with quality. Back then.
Oh my.
All right. Do you want to stay in here, Zoe, in case the seagulls are agitated? Or you want to come out?
Oh, come out.
Looks fine right now. So I know there's the nest in the corner over there. I'm not sure where it fell from, but
Wherever the
that was
mural is.
the most active nest.
Where's the mural?
The mural's over here on this wall.
Because she was hanging out right here.
Oh, this was another nest here. Probably coming right now.
Probably is. I bet you.
Set her down, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said the most active nest was.
In that corner, I saw one there like a few weeks ago.
Okay.
That one has probably been hatched for a while.
Yeah.
So it must be this.
You wanna try this one? Is anybody
Yeah.
else here?
Just don't jump.
Let's stay down, so.
That actually makes sense for where it fell, too. Right? My car's right there. Look how far.
Bye-bye. Be safe,
Now
please.
stay. No jumping. Eating.
Thank you for your help.
Okay, I'll leave it. He learned. That was him though. He was walking sideways. Is he good? Oh, go, go, go. Hey. I guess we taught him how to fly. We stumped him.
Yeah, look at that.